Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a look at the finished Hagley Park Road. Now we are currently on Constant Spring Road and we are in Halfway Tree, and this is the center Halfway Tree where the four main roads intersect. Straight ahead, Halfway Tree Road. To the left, Old Hope Road. Hope Road. And now we just turned on to Hagley Park Road. Now, Halfway Tree is the busiest place in Jamaica, and one of the main roads that take you to and from from Halfway Tree is Hagley Park Road. Now, of all the roads that lead to Halfway Tree, Hagley Park Road is the most used one. And that is also evident at the fact that the busiest intersection in Jamaica is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. And that is because persons use Hagley Park Road to get to and from Halfway Tree. Now, when you come off Mandela Highway, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, you will take Spanish Town Road to Hagley Park Road and then come up to Halfway Tree. So this is a very important road in the road network for Jamaica, especially Kingston, the city of Kingston. So this is the finished Hagley Park Road. It was recently renovated under the Major Infrastructure Development Program. Millions of US were spent to renovate the road, but it has turned out very well. The traffic flows much better now that the road is renovated. It's 4 lanes, dual carriageway, and it has definitely helped with the flow of traffic. So we are heading towards the intersection now of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. We're heading basically to the 3 miles area. And that intersection is so busy that they built a double overpass at it, the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Spanish Town Road. No idea why this trail. I guess there's nowhere else for them to go. And in addition to the cars going to and from Halfway Tree, as you can see, Hagley Park Road is a very busy road, a lot of business places on it. That's Bert's on the right. I think it's a ministry that operates a building on the left, but it used to be a chemical company. Both sides of the road, very busy place, a lot of business places. That's Tire Warehouse on the left, and then the Domes complex is on the left. There's also a Juicy Patties over there.